5. So there you have finished whatever is needed to do. So let us start from our first question. Our first question, which is part A, that find the mean using A as 5. So our mean now is calculated from A plus summation of FD out of summation of F. So how do you get this answer? Our mean A, which is 5, plus FD, summation of FD, we have got it as 5 out of summation of F, which is 30. So this one is 5 plus the total. You can even just write answer. What do you get there? It is 5 divided by 30. It is about 1 out of 6, which is approximately 0.167. So the total here become 5.167. This become our mean. That's the first part, which is the mean. Part B is saying that part B, find the model class. Find the model mark. We said model mark, you come to frequency and then you get the highest frequency. The highest frequency now in this case is 5, and then you read this variable of x, the value of x. So the model mark is 6, because 6 is the one appearing most. It is appearing 5 times more than any other mark in that test. So those people got 6 out of 10. They are people who are more than any other number. So that one become our model mark. And then part C is saying cumulative frequency. And part C say median mark or median value. Let us use median mark. We say that median mark is given by n out of 2 value. But this n is divided by 2 value. So this one is the same as 15's value. So median mark, we are going to get the 15's value. You come in its cumulative frequency and you get where 15 can go without a remainder. So this 12, 15 will remain with the remainder. It will go in 16. The first value where 16 will go without a remainder, the first value in cumulative frequency is the median mark. So you come and read the variable of x, which is our median mark as 5. So our median mark is 5. Our median mark is 5. Our median mark is 5. So that's how we measure the central tendencies. We have looked at 3 examples of measuring central tendencies. So the first example, we saw we calculated mean, mode, and the median using their formulas. The second one we used the same formula, but the third one now we have put in different formula that is using assumed mean. So those are the 3 examples which can look at how to calculate the central tendency. Now the work has remained for you to revise and master the content. So we shall be looking at different things by next week. We shall look at how to measure measurements of dispersions, that is variance, standard deviation, and others. So that's how we shall look at. Keep on subscribing to Tech Talk Uganda websites, both on Facebook and other social medias. Thank you for listening. We meet next time.